All right, third time's a charm on this one. I changed the instruction set because I didn't like the way it was working out. I didn't think it made sense to teach it the way I had it written out originally. This had a typo here. The known factor is 3x plus 5. And if you set that equal to 0, you'll get a 0. You'll get x is negative 5/3. Now, if that doesn't make sense to you, you need to pause and you need to think about it for a minute or two. Because if you can't do that, why are you in Algebra 2? What have you been doing the last 2 years of your life? Anyways, I am going to synthetically divide that out. Coefficients are a 3, a 5, and a 0 because there is no x squared there. 81 and 135. And obviously you need to be writing small. I have a big white piece of paper in front of me. You don't. Drop the 3. The 3's cancel. You get a negative 5. You add, you get a 0. 0 times anything is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 times anything is still 0. You add down. And 81 over 3 is 27 times negative 5 is negative 135. And you have a 0. All right, so what do we have here? We have a remainder. We have a constant, an x squared, and an x cubed. This is 3x cubed plus 81, and it is equal to 0. And I want all zeros. So I can't just take a cubic root. I'm going to pull the 3. That's going to make it smaller. I'm going to follow the a cubed plus b cubed pattern here. A cubed plus b cubed factors is a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. I got a 3 out front. Let's see here. A is going to be x because x times x times x is x cubed. B is going to be 3 because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So x plus 3. Now I'm looking here. It says square a. X times x is x squared. Now I'm looking here. Minus x times 3, 3x. Now I'm looking here. Plus 9 because 3 squared is 9. And here's a 0. Here's another one. It's x equals negative 3. And right here is 2 imaginaries. And I want them. So I do x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And I just plug into that thing. B is going to be a negative 3. A is 1. C is 9. So if I'm an opposite B, I'm going to be a positive 3. If I'm going to square a number, I don't care about its sign. A is 1. C is 9. And it's all sitting pretty over twice A. Twice a 1. All right. I got a 3 plus or minus inside that radical is 9 minus 36, which is 27, and it is negative. Both pieces over a 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. And in the corner of my brain, I'm thinking about this being the imaginary root of 27, which is the imaginary root of 3 times 9, which is 3i, root 3, because the square root of 9 is 3. All right? So x equals 3/2 plus or minus 3i root 3 over 2. All right, we got 2 answers here. 1 answer there, that makes 3. We got another answer up here, that makes 4. X to the 4th. 4 answers. And that is the homework off of 3.7. Finally, now I can do some other stuff.